I would post and tell you what I kept from my front door fashion unboxing that posted last Thursday, and I will also put the link down below. Well, predictably, since I'm wearing it, I kept this really cute flannel top with the coordinating tank underneath. I kept the belt. I just love the belt. I didn't keep the boyfriend jeans because I felt like the fit could have been just a little bit better. I kept, of course, the puff sleeve gray top because I just fell in love with this. This is so comfortable and I love the styling. And I kept those black dress pants. So because I kept 5 items, I will have a $20 credit towards my next purchase with Front Door Fashion. I'm going to continue getting Front Door Fashion quarterly, seasonally, I believe. It's, you know, that is a little bit pricier, but these are some pieces that I can wear for years. And I just love the service, honestly. I think I will probably continue doing this for as long as I can. So there we go. That's what I kept from Front Door Fashion. Let me know what you think. What would you have kept? And be sure and check out the video if you haven't yet. If you would like to subscribe and you haven't, I would just love to have you. And if you could like and comment below. As always, I love interacting with you. All right, I'm going to get going and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.